can't reach. And there's no step stool. I wish there was a way I could get it.
Hello.
Who are you?
Introducing the microwave. Have you ever felt like you can't do anything in life?
Who?
Oh, no more.
Who's talking?
This will help you do anything.
What? What is this?
The microwave. What do you expect me to do with the... Well, what were you just doing? Trying to reach it, weren't you?
Yeah, but...
Just stand on it.
Oh. Okay. I won't fall, will I?
No! We hope.
Okay.
Don't fall.
Hey, it's actually...
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Ow. And also, do you ever wish that you could protect yourself against a mugging? How do you call this a microwave?
No, give me your money now!
What are you
Give me
doing?
the money!
What are you doing?
Give me the money!
Don't do it.
Give me the money now! Give me the money! Down! Get out of here! Get out of here! Go!
Sweet, my Danish is dead, bruh. God, that was hot. There's no more plates.
Beer?
Okay. I'm done with this thing. I'm tired of this spilling. This has spilled twice already. It got me hurt twice. I'm not sure how I'm still alive. This is not going to work.
We've worked out all the kinks. The microwave is the best.
It's a freaking book.
No, it's not the microwave. If you say the book again, we will sue you.
Fine, the microwave doesn't work, okay?
It works.
Fine. If it fails again, I'm suing.
It works in the place. Come on. That's the best thing for it.
That is so hot. Hey, look, it's actually working. Hey, oh, God, it's hot.
Sick of this microwave. I'm done. This microwave's gonna pay for all the things that have happened to me for the past 3 days, torturing me. Say goodbye to your precious microwave voice in my head.